Hello, I'm Tristan from n8n, and today I'm going to show you how to use our services through n8n and to create a mail sorter. So what I've done is I created a workflow on n8n. Every 2 hours in business hours, Gmail gets my unread emails from the last 3 days. From last 3 days. It's if I don't have any unread emails, it's going to just send me I don't have any emails. And if it doesn't, this is the good part. So eventually I choose Gmails, but you can also use Outlook or any other email there is on n8n. Afterwards, I connect it to an AI chat models. So what you need to do first is create a new credential because you won't have any and need to find the API key. The first thing you see is open docs over there, and then you need to go on the app, search for API keys. I advise you to create a new key, n8n automation for myself, and spend a limit. It's easier also to see how much you spend and copy the key and put it over there. It will test it, and if it's all good, you will see it successfully. Perfect. What is good with this now is that you can choose EU-only models. So there is plenty of them, but I recommend you to use the Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's a very good model. You don't even need to put any reasoning effort. It will choose it by itself, but you have the possibility to choose between minimal, low, medium, height, max, extra height, and just disabled. I will put it as minimal. And I don't need any web search, but you have some, and you can choose the response formula and JSON for this case. So eventually, what the LLM is gonna do? The LLM is gonna read the email, do a summary, choose an impact between low, medium, and high impact, and it's gonna draft a response. So perfect. Afterwards, all the emails are gonna go over there. If it needs a reply, it's gonna create a reply, a draft reply on Gmails, and it will give the link in the Discord chat. I use Discord, but you can use whatever you want, like Telegram. There is also other channels that you can use. Anyway, I choose this one for this example, and I will put the workflow in the description. Don't worry about it. So afterwards, I'm gonna try the workflow and show you how it works. So I have created Mox email, one with my coworkers, Clément. He wrote me in French, so it's gonna respond in French. But don't worry, if someone is sending you an email in whatever language, it will respond in the same language. So that's great. But also it will be harder for you to check if you don't speak this language. Anyway, as you see, there is like a low priority for this one. It's just a report, so I don't really need to respond to that. Okay, it works all fine. I will go in the Discord channel. So as you see here, it's 11:35 of the 54, sorry. That's perfect. So I have one email from Clément. I have the summary, and I have the draft response. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, there is a direct response. And I'm validating it, and that's all good. It's gonna be sent. Perfect. Same thing on the other email, but that's basically the same thing. Anyway, if you have any question about the workflow, how does it works and stuff, I will be happy to respond that in the comments. if that's not the case, I hope to see you soon on n8n. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.